Cipla says Achin Gupta to replace Umang Vora as Cipla MD, Global CEO from April 1, shares fall 4%. Cipla shares fell up to 4% on October 30 after the pharma major announced that it has elevated Achin Gupta, Global Chief Operating Officer, Cipla Limited to MD and Global CEO effective April 1, 2026, for a term of 5 years. Achin has been appointed as MD and GCEO designate from January 1, 2026. Achin will succeed Umang Vora, who has served as the MD and GCEO of Cipla since 2016. This planned transition is in line with our succession process developed by the board and Umang, ensuring continuity, stability, and a clear vision for the future, said Cipla in a stock exchange filing. At 2 p.m. on October 30, Cipla shares on NSE were trading 2.6% lower at 1,539 rupees a piece and had hit intraday low of 1,504 rupees. Achin Gupta has been serving as the GCOO of the company since February 2025, overseeing commercial markets, AP, manufacturing, and supply chain. He joined Cipla in 2021 as the CEO of the One India business. Achin Gupta holds AM Tech degree from IIT Delhi, specializing in biochemical engineering and biotechnology, and an MBA from IIM, Ahmedabad. Umang Vora, who joined Cipla in 2015 as Global Chief Financial and Strategy Officer and thereafter served as Cipla's MD and GCEO since 2016. Over the past decade, Umang has led Cipla through a period of effective transformation, guided by the company's purpose of caring for life. His leadership has been instrumental in driving strategic growth, financial performance, innovation, and operational excellence across the organization, said Cipla. Speaking on the announcement, Y.K. Hamid, Chairman, Cipla Limited said, "I thank Umang for his stewardship over the last 10 years, his outstanding contributions and dedication to Cipla's purpose of caring for life and combining business with a humanitarian approach. We wish Umang continued success in his future career. We are pleased to welcome Achin Gupta as he steps into this role, and I am confident he will lead Cipla to its next phase of progress and growth." Founded in 1935, Cipla is the third largest drug maker in domestic market by sales and is one of India's most storied drug makers, known for its humanitarian approach to healthcare and landmark contributions to global access, including its $1 HIV/AIDS therapy in Africa. The company operates 46 manufacturing sites and serves over 74 markets, ranking among the top players in India, South Africa, and the US generic inhalation space. Cipla's legacy of patient-centric care is deeply inspiring, Gupta said in a statement. "My focus will remain on driving sustainable growth, deepening our impact across markets, and continuing to innovate with purpose." Under Vora, Cipla became a hugely profitable company. In financial year 2025, Cipla posted consolidated revenue of 27,548 crore rupees, net profit of 5,273 crore rupees, and an EBITDA margin of 25.9%. Cipla Q2 results. Cipla reported a net profit of 1,351 crore rupees for Q2 financial year 2026, marking a 4% year-on-year rise from the 1,302.53 crore rupees net profit reported in Q2 financial year 2025. The net profit reported for the quarter, however, is lower than the 1,387 crore rupees net profit estimated on an average by brokerages polled by Moneycontrol. The firm's revenue from operations, meanwhile, rose 8% year-on-year to 7,589.44 crore rupees during the quarter under review. This is higher than the MC poll estimate of 7,425 crore rupees.